Welcome to the MATRIXCHART Systems. My name is Steve and I am your designated driver throughout this entire video. In this presentation, I am going to show you how to use the charts in the MATRIXCHART Systems to show you how the system will be able to tell us when to enter the market and when to exit profit. Trading with the MATRIXCHART Systems will be clearer and simpler when you learn how to use it. In this video, you will see the bottoming signal near base strategy, how vector search analysis is used to catch strong momentum in trends, and how the MATRIXCHART Systems tell us where the time exit profit point is. This is exciting. Let's begin. When you log into the MATRIXCHART Systems, you will see this page. In my last video, I did a really quick tutorial on how to filter stock with the MATRIXCHART Systems. The way you do it is you click on this Advanced tab and select the criteria to which you want to filter your stock with. Today, we will be talking about the bottoming signal near base strategy. This strategy will tell us which stocks are reaching their lowest points before they start climbing up. Let's screen for stocks that had the bottoming signal near base strategy activated during the last year. To select a period, click on the empty box over here and select the date to which you want to start your filter with. And then click on the box over here and select the date to which you want to end your period range. So we're gonna filter the stocks that has activated the bottoming signal near base strategy the last year. Click on screen and a list of stocks that have been filtered with the strategy of bottoming signal near base will appear at the bottom. Let's select a stock to take a look. So this is what you will see after you have clicked on a stock on the MATRIXCHART Systems. To give you a clearer view of the chart, let us look at it without all the other indicators first. The bottoming signal near base strategy is a strategy that looks for opportunity to enter the market near the lowest points of the stock. And if we are able to catch these points on the stock, we will be able to ride the trends when it rallies. So the way to find out where these points of opportunities are is to look for these blue arrows that are pointing toward the stock. It is that simple. The system will tell you where to enter the market. Okay, here's another tip. What if you miss the 3 bottoming signal based strategy signals? If this happens, we'll look for the next best points to enter the market based on the T Momentum Analyzer. The T Momentum Analyzer is one of the 4 indicators of the MATRIXCHART Systems vector search analysis methodology. As the name suggests, the T Momentum will tell us the direction of the trend and the strength or the magnitude of the signal. So this is what it will look like on the chart. On the bottom left hand corner, you will see the T Momentum and the signal strength. Now when both of these are tending positively towards a trend, a little blue arrow will pop up just above the histogram. Okay, when you see this, this is the next best point to enter into the market again. When you see this blue arrow, it means that the system is expecting a rise in the bullish price action in the coming days. Okay, let's say you enter here. The next thing to do is to find out where we should put our stop at. You know, we want to make lots of money, but we also want to learn how to protect our investment. So how do you find out at what level or at which level to put your stop at to protect your investments? That is a great question. If you look at the chart, there is a red line, and this red line is what we call the pathol line. We consider this red pathol line as a critical danger level, and we use it as an indication to protect our investments. Every once in a while, the pathol line will go horizontal. When it does that, it is a very good indication of where we can put our stop. We will put our stop at the highest possible horizontal line along the path line. Before I show you some examples of how to decide on where to put your stop according to the path line, I want to give you a great tip to see data and to label points along the chart. Okay, what you do is you go to the top left hand corner and you find this tab. Okay, click on it once and go to the point which you want to see the data. For example, if you have entered in this point and you want to remember it, just click on it. Okay, and then you can drag your box so that it's easily visible for you. Okay, remember to click off after that. Great, so that's easy, right? So let's give you some examples right now. First of all, the first stop that you want to put is probably at this level. Okay, this is the first and the highest level that has went horizontal according to the path line. Let's just say a few days has passed and the stock price has risen. You want to change the stop as we are going along because the price can be moving higher and higher, and you will increase your stop level higher and higher at the same time. So let's just say we reach this point. Where would you put your stop to protect your investment? It can be at a couple of points. This can be a possible point, and this can be a possible stop out point, right? As you can see, the price action or the price level of the stock is still above the path line. So that's a good indication. So as you're moving higher and higher, you will realize that sometimes the path line will get nearer and nearer and nearer to the stop price. So as it is going higher, you move up your stop level. One more great tip is to pick 2 or 3 points along your trend line and draw a support trend line. Okay, how you do that is you click on the top left hand corner box that has a line on it, click on draw line and connect 2 or 3 points where the trend is moving. As you can see, there is a change in trend, or there's a slight change in trend over this side. A stop out might be in your consideration very soon. So both the path line and our trend support line is telling us that we should put our stop out really soon. So let's just say that we put a stop loss around this level. Let's see what happens as we go along. As you can see, the price action has delivered what we have analyzed, and what will happen is at this level, when the price drops, your stop out will be activated and investment protected. So this is really important. So because you have stopped out, we will look for the next best point to enter into the market again, and the blue arrow comes up here, so we will enter here again, and we'll do exactly the same thing. We'll draw the trend support line, we'll study the path line, make sure that danger critical level is out of the way, and we'll just repeat the process. So with our vector search methodology, we're looking for a possible timing exit profit point. How do we do that? The way we do that is we look at the T momentum. We're looking for the T momentum to reach 70%. Okay, remember this number, 70%. In fact, you'll get a good indication when there's a little green that is popping out on the histogram just above the orange. Okay, that is the time when you want to start paying attention to when to exit the market. When the T momentum reaches 70%, it means that it is a good point to exit profit. So where is this exit profit point on this chart, on this counter? Okay, look at the bottom right hand corner with the histogram. You see a little bit of green come out. You want to watch the percentage on this. This is about 43.6%, 44 right now. You just have to spend a couple of minutes every day and watch the percentage. Once it hits 70%, which is around about here, you went a little bit over 70%, you exit for profit. Okay, to give you an idea of the price, let's put it here for you to see. So there you have it. That's the exit profit point. Let's do a quick revision of what we have learned so far. We have learned how to filter stock, how to time market entry point with a strategy, the bottoming signal near base strategy. We've also learned how to time our next best entry points with the T momentum, and also how to time exit profit points when the T momentum reaches 70%. So I hope you have gained much insight into how simple the matrix chart system is. Keep a lookout for more videos coming your way. For the latest updates, Like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/MatrixChart Systems. To buy the Matrix Chart Systems or for more information, go to www.MatrixChartSystems.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.